so they really can handle the pressure well. And it is Jinmu that is up for HT Family. He did get 2 3-stars yesterday, but he was using ground attacks as well in that of the P.E.K.K.A. Smash. Feels like switching it up today to the Dragon Riders.
GKKOG also feels to me like the most swingy clan in this competition. They had an 11-14 loss against NY Amazing yesterday, but then they completely flipped the script and got a 14-11 win against Darkest Muzan. They take really big risks, and so far it's paid off in this war. But Jinmu from HT Family, the next attacker to try to get his squad back on top, might be the best hope that this clan has. He picked up a couple of 3-stars on his own, just the same as Fire did in the last 2 wars from yesterday, and is, I think, widely considered to be one of the best players in this tournament, not just on the HT Family lineup. He's got an excellent aerial assault and is backing up a strat that we've seen. I think I heard 80% of the attacks yesterday were from the skies. And so keeping to the theme is Jinmu now starting his main phase over on the right corner.
Certainly with the air update, it was impacting the attack strategies yesterday. I'm watching Jinmu very closely. I love that we have the webcams, and he has not budged. The poker face on this man is incredible. Even when he lost a healer earlier on, did not phase him. He looks very calm as the Dragon Riders move on in. I love the Barbarian King just breaking into that bottom compartment to try and get the scatter shot and that air defense. Now we see the Battle Blimp moving on through. He's raging the Queen at the top, concentrating on so many different factors here. Where is this Grand Warden ability? There it is to protect the Battle Blimp through. And as long as this gets the Town Hall, that single target Inferno, then it looks pretty good for Jinmu of HT Family.
Oh, but guaranteed, now that the Rage and Freeze have dropped right on that Town Hall, the 2nd star is claimed, and with plenty of firepower still remaining, including that Archer Queen ability, is held on for the entire round so far. Jinmu is on the way to a 3-star. I feel quite confident, even with skeleton traps triggering right in the center there. That's not going to be enough to stop Jinmu.
Yes, they are not going to let those skeleton traps factor into this attack. It was devastating on the last one, but made sure that this one was the 3-star, exactly what they needed, keeping the pressure on KOG. Let's be real, they do have the perfect hit rate at the moment, but if they were to slip up, HT Family have that massive percentage 2-star attack, which would no doubt put them in the lead.